This is 27-year-old, right? 29. And the other one is 37.
Hypnotized. Really hypnotized. Boom.
Oh.
You say 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Wow.
Damn.
Oh,
Wow.
that's
There. That's
Wow.
the
cool.
technique.
Wow.
You know, they can live 45 to 50 years.
Oh, really?
So,
Wow.
Honestly. But remember, if you are a car lover,
Yeah.
you might want to do this. Why?
Oh, okay.
Take a look what they did on the door.
Oh,
Yeah.
they have done this?
Yeah.
Take a look.
Back then.
Take a look this.
Oh, oh.
Wow.
Take a look this.
Yeah. Oh,
Take a look. But again, this vehicle is let me explain you. Nobody knows. And if you don't do what I do, you will never be able to put it together and discover. Do you know what it means? They do this.
oh, to mark their territory. That is their house.
Take a look.
Sitting at the corner. It's amazing. Wow. Thanks for letting us know. That's
So, but
amazing.
again, you cannot blame them. You know why?
No.
Because they are doing it for love for
They
you.
love, exactly.
They wouldn't mark it
Right.
if they don't love you.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you see?
That's why Simba, our dog name is Simba. He does the same thing.
You see, to try to understand you, you gotta try to understand them.
100%. Thank you so much. Thank you for like